We're about to take this buggy through the Burger King drive-thru.
How you doing?
Hey, we're just living the Amish paradise.
Thanks.
All right, so here's the Shun Buggy Company. Show you guys the inside of it, what he all done to it. Got the cup holders. Look at that. Got the smoke coming out of there, and then he's pulling the outhouse. Chicken up on there. The Shun Amish buggy now also has an outhouse to pull behind it.